If you want to create bounce on your character that it fall down, you can select your object, make sure in starts it's dynamic and affected all. Then you can simply add a physics bounce. You can see just one click. You can change the collision shape if you see the collision with clicking that. You can, it's a cube, it's not good. You have to change it to a sphere, or if you have a mesh, I explained it before. Affected asset means this effect affect which asset. I tell it all category. These are categories, and these are specific object that you inserted here. I explained it before. And you can see it's unfortunately does not have anything for changing the power of the bounce, but you can see it's bouncing, nice. But if you double click and go to the mind map of this object, you can see it has a simple if collide object and the jump node. Don't worry about this node, I will explain them later one by one. But in this case, because we don't have any sitting in its panel, if you want to if you want to change jump force, this is in a y-axis, it's going up and down. You can change the force here or the angular force. If we go into the sphere and the 3D model from the mesh, you can directly change the object with another 3D model like cube there. Then you go into the word and change this to cube. Let's see what happened here in the bouncing. It's bound. Look at it is an angular rotation in y-axis. I want to make angular rotation, for example, in z. You can go to the sphere, select a jump, make it none. We don't want to z10. I explained it before. What's the difference between none and 0? And let's play what happened. You can change the jump force angular. See, bouncing and bouncing in this direction. Nice. Okay, that's it.